Hello everyone, Cosmic here. Welcome to my first video in a series of introduction to modding in Melon Loader. So if you don't know, Melon Loader is a mod loader for .NET Framework applications. If you don't know what that means, don't worry, stay tuned. We'll get that all set up. So first things first, I'm going to leave a few links in the description to Visual Studio or Rider, either of them work, as well as the .NET Framework 4.8 download, as that is what we're going to be using. So once you get that installed, you boot up your IDE, and it'll bring you to a page where you can open up a new solution, and from here, you're going to want to input the solution's name, so we'll call this tutorial mod. Alright, and then we create it. Cool. All there. So now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to install Melon Loader, which is in the description below. So personally, I would get the latest release, installer.exe, just run it, select, and since it's for BTD6, we would go BTD6, would click this. I already have it installed, so it doesn't require that. From there, you're gonna be wanting to run the game so it can generate all the IL2CPP unhollower files. Once you get all that done, you're gonna go to your project, dependencies, right click, add a reference, add from, and then in your BTD6 Melon Loader, you're gonna add the mod handler, and then you're gonna add everything you can in the managed. So just a good guideline is accessibility to bootleg useful, custom marshaller is probably fairly good, facepunch steamworks, all of the IL2CPP stuff, all of the mono stuff, probably anything by Ninja Kiwi, or if you're using this for a different game, you would whatever other DLLs that your game's developer has in there. And then I think we just need unhollower baselib, runtime, the Unity stuff, and that should be it. There's quite a bit of Unity stuff. Alright, cool. So now that we have that, we're going to go to our properties, assembly info, and we're going to type in assembly : it should autocomplete if you press tab, Melon game, and the developer is Ninja Kiwi, and the game is BTD6. Cool. Now we also need to add assembly Melon info, I believe. Yes. So the type, we're going to need to get that set up, but we'll just leave it with tutorial mod.tutorial. For now, it will give you errors. Don't try and build at this stage. Name, tutorial mod, version 1.0, author, Cosmic Dev. Alright, that's all we need. So now over here in class 1, what I personally do is if I don't know why the class is there, I delete it. And so now in tutorial mod, I'm gonna add a new class. Oh, tutorial. Cool. Now I know why the class is there. Yeah, won't have any confusion later down the line. It's just good code practices. So we're gonna do colon, which if you've used Java before, that's like extends. And then melon mod. Cool. Now over here, if we control click tutorial, it'll bring us here. Perfect. So if we do override, we just tab complete that, go down to on application start, tab complete that. Melon Loader has a very useful tool called Melon Logger. And then you can do .log, error warning, whatever. It'll automatically input your mod's name in the console as well, so you can track, hey, that's my output. Cool. So now here, I'm gonna do loaded tutorial mod. Amazing. So personally, if I know my code is completed and it will run, I like to switch it to release, click build. Tutorial is a type, which is not valid in given context. Makes sense. So back over in the assembly info, we're gonna have to do type of, open parentheses, and then put the tutorial inside of there. That was my mistake, my apologies. Now we should be able to build. Correct. All right. So I'm just gonna copy this path. Cool. Release. Now we're looking for tutorial mod.dll. My mods folder here. I'm gonna drop it in. We're running BTD6. So Melon Loader will pop up with the console, tutorial mod by Cosmic Dev compatible. And as you can see, it did print tutorial mod, loaded tutorial mod. So this was just the introductory to getting this all set up. If you have any questions, let me know in my Discord. I will leave a link to it in the description. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys later. Bye.